Hey, how's it going? CrossFit R837. Amari Bacala here with Taurus SEO. Just wanted to send you this quick video because we're looking for a fitness business or company in Bowling Green to work with, and we came across your guys' website. So we wanted to just send you a quick video to just show you some ways on how you can improve your SEO, improve your organic rankings on Google, so you can better reach more customers. You guys are when we came and looking for you, we saw you guys here on the second page of Google, pretty much, close to the top middle second page of Google, when really and truly you want to be, right here. You want to be beating out Anytime Fitness and workoutanytime.com, and also getting into this top ranking right here. You want to be getting into this top three map pack right here, so that when someone does search for your business via their cell phone, they can immediately just hit that cell phone icon that pops up on their phone, call you, and then you'd be able to potentially convert them into a client. Get them in, give them a trial, see how they like it, and potentially be able to like turn them into a client. So you want to be taking up these spots right here. So without further ado, here's a couple things that you can work on. The first thing is Google's algorithm likes content. Content is something that Google looks for when it is crawling a website, which it does about once every week. So when it's crawling your website, it's looking for content, and content is just, word quantity, just the amount of words, on the screen. So technically this is considered an image, but hey, you got some words here, you do have some wording here, and you do have a little bit down here, but it's not just, the amount of words, but how those words are arranged, how those words are relevant to what niche you're in. And you probably only have around, say, maybe 100, 200 words on your home page, but really you need about 6 times that, for Google just to be able to look at your content and say, hey, you know, a these guys are the authority on CrossFit. So if you come here and just we type in the word exercise in Google, when you come here, Wikipedia is the first thing, the first organic ranking. After some news stories, Wikipedia is the first organic ranking because it's everything related to exercise you can possibly wanna figure out. And it also links out everything you see here is a blue link, and it links out to other Wikipedia pages. So Wikipedia has become the authority in exercise, just with the sheer amount of information you can get from this one page. So coming back over to your website, you want to be the authority on CrossFit, whether it be CrossFit, exercising, weight loss. You can do that just by having a lot more content on your homepage, and like you say, coming over here to what is CrossFit, putting a lot more content on the what is CrossFit section. You do have some videos do help, but what Google's algorithm wants is words. Google's algorithm wants lots and lots of words. So that's something that you can do throughout your entire website to get it to move up the rankings without one, spending money and just putting in some sweat equity. The next thing you want to do is this number, the cell phone number right here, you want to make it clickable. So if someone's looking at your website through their phone, they can immediately just click this number and be able to call you rather than having to, hold it, copy, paste, put it in their phone. They can immediately just click this number and give you guys a call. The next thing is backlinks. So if we come over here and look at your backend metrics, you can see, for link quality and link volume, you're at a 0 and a 23. So this is just showing the amount of backlinks, and a backlink is just a website that is directing traffic from theirs to yours. It's like a vote essentially in the eyes of Google. So when they scour your web page, or they scour someone else's web page and they see a link and it's going to yours, that's essentially a vote. So it shows you have 4 backlinks, and you can see them down here, but even though you have 4, the link quality isn't all that great. And this is pretty much the meat and potatoes of getting your website to rank. It's getting quality quality backlinks for your website. If we look at your competitors, OP Fitness KY, you can see they only have about 2 more. However, their link quality is a bit higher. They have a link quality of 8 and a citation flow of 19, so it's a bit lower than yours. But link quality really and truly is really what you want to focus on, getting quality backlinks from quality websites. It's the difference between your neighbor saying you guys are a good fitness company or the governor of Kentucky saying you guys are great. It's still essentially one vote, but one has a little bit more weight to it. And here's your competitors homepage also, by the way. They still also don't have a lot of words, so this is something that if you put into action, you can definitely beat them out with it and rank your website organically. Now the next thing that we definitely do want to look at is getting your business here in this map pack. You want to get yourself a Google My Business listing, getting it organized, getting it set up, getting all the relevant information. You're probably here in the more places, but what you really want to do is you really want to up this vote count. You really want to send out your link to your Google My Business so you can have everyone that has been a client, is a client, friends, family of clients, just to put in an awesome 5-star review, because this is a Google tool. Google loves when you use their tool, but they also love when you have other people use their tools also. So hey, this is just some quick tips on how you can get your website to rank higher. And we haven't touched on keywords, citations. We haven't touched on guest blogs and other things like that. This is just some ways that you can do it. Just by putting in some sweat equity. If you have any questions, don't be afraid to give me an email or give me a call. You can just reply to this email that this video was in. I'll be more than happy to chat with you. I hope this video was helpful. Please stay safe. Have a fantastic day.